So terrible lighting, but just as proof of concept. This is high voltage battery. I know, it just looks madness. So I'm going to put you on here on my tripod, and hopefully you can see that. This is just for proof. So it appears it looks like it's working. Oh, I hope some of that was on camera. Whew. So yeah, she's a little workout, a little drift quad. Seems to be doing the trick. That wasn't full speed because obviously I'm not full speed in this. Look at the damn thing. She ain't ready for that. But I mean, technically, you know, she's ready to go. That's in normal. That's about 30%. Sorry, that's about, is that 80% power? Sport is supposed to be a boost. So, oh yeah, we're only in mode 2. Yeah. So 3, high speed, 1, blah blah blah. But that was all in 2. Okay. Yeah. She's mad. Absolutely mad. That's not even full voltage. Oh, let's check motor temperature. She's warm, but she ain't hot. It's warm, that's all it is. It's warm. That is insane. Oh, very happy. Very pleased. Now, upstairs, I've got the big, pretty battery to make. That's just a little toy. 100 volts. Only charged to 97 at the moment. Yeah. Cracking.